What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and we're going to be doing a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and the Huawei Freebuds 3. Let's see which one is going to be the best for you. So first off, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, brand new on the market, brand new set of earbuds. Let's go ahead and get the specs for this one out of the way. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are going to start you at about $149. They come in white, blue, and black, and they have Bluetooth 5.0. They have two-way speakers tuned by AKG, an adaptive 3-mic system. So if you look around, 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside for your mics. They have easy connect features. You basically just open them up and they connect with no problem. You get 11 hours on a single charge and 22 hours with the case. A 3-minute charge will actually get you 1 hour of listening time with your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and they support wireless charging as well as USB Type-C charging. Now, they come in this nice blue color that I have here, nice glossy finish if you look at it, and then you open them up and it reveals the actual buds itself. Now, these buds actually have tap functions. You can do single tap, double tap, triple tap, and you actually have a tap and hold. And that's going to allow you to set up different toggles that you would like on this device. Now, looking at these, they're comfortable in the ear. They feel really good when you're wearing them. They don't have active noise cancellation, but they actually do block out the noise because they stop your ear up. So no active noise cancellation, but they do block it. Nothing protrudes out of your ear when you're wearing these. Unlike the Freebuds 3, you're going to have a little bar hanging from your ear, which doesn't bother me that much. And like I said, these are really comfortable in the ear. Now, moving on to the Freebuds 3. If you look at these are nice premium earbuds. You open them up. They're good with one-handed use, so you can just pop them open. They have wireless charge as well as USB Type-C charge. They come in black, red, as well as white. Very comfortable in your ear as well. If you take a look at how they're actually made, they're similar to the AirPod 1 and 2 generation. Basically just a stem and an earbud, and it protrudes out and goes into your ear with no issues. Now, the Huawei Freebuds 3, like I said, will come in black, white, and they have a new red color. USB Type-C charging as well as wireless charging. These actually have active noise cancellation. You get 4 hours of play with the earbuds, and you get 20 hours with the case. These also support Bluetooth 5.1. Now, as far as battery life, the earbuds over here, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, are going to win in that category because they have the most to offer. But when you're looking at style and comfort, the Huawei Freebuds 3 actually feel a little bit better in the ear. Now, once again, this goes back to the way that your ear is made. If your ear is small, these are going to be the best bet for you. If you have decent sized ears like normal people, unlike me, I have very small ears, the Galaxy Buds Plus will be a great fit for you. Both of these actually fit my ear pretty well. It's just the Huawei Freebuds 3 fit a little bit better. These earbuds on the left over here, the earbuds by Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, they actually stop my ear up a little too much, and they can become a little irritating at times, but they still feel good just for short uses. I don't want to sit around and wear these for hours on end, but for my earbuds over here, my Freebuds 3, sometimes I can just ride up and down the highway with this in my ear and sometimes forget that it's even there. The Samsung Galaxy Buds, I will know that it's always there. Now, each one of these devices will come with its own application. On the application, you're going to be able to go in for the Freebuds 3 and change any settings that you need. You're also going to be able to go in and change the active noise cancellation. Now, the noise cancellation can be set up by a tap on the actual earbud itself, or you can go into the device, you can turn it on, and you can change the degree of noise cancellation, which is awesome. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus also has its own app, and you have the ambient noise cancellation in here. So there you can go in and change and see how much you want to hear or let in around you so that you can actually hear what's going on around you at any time. It's going to be a great setup. You're going to be able to customize anything that you would like, and it's going to be able to be tailored to each specific person. Also, the Huawei Freebuds 3 are going to come in at a price point of about 200 bucks. Depending on where you buy them from, you may be able to get them for 180, 190, but normally it's going to be about 200 bucks for the Freebuds 3. So which one of these is actually the best? Now, normally here on my channel, I don't tell you to go out and buy a device unless I 100% say that I am behind it and I agree with everything that the company's doing. This device is awesome. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, they're great. I like the color, I like the fit, I like the way that they feel, I like the way that they sound. The sound quality on here is awesome. Call quality, not so much. When you're listening to music, it sounds good. The Freebuds 3, all the way around, sound quality is top. The sound quality on your music, the sound quality of different videos, the sound quality of your calls, everything sounds great over here. As far as the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, sometimes the call quality can sound a little bit drowned out, but it still sounds okay. I would just choose the Huawei Freebuds 3 over the Samsung Galaxy Buds for a phone call. But overall, as far as price, as far as connectivity, as far as comfort in my ear, as far as usability, I'm going to go with the Freebuds 3 in this category. You're going to pay about 50 bucks more for the Freebuds 3, but you get, for me now, I'm just saying for me, because the comfort level is where it's at for me. I don't mind spending a little bit more money for the comfort. The ear fit on this is way more comfortable for me. You may like the ear fit on the Galaxy Buds Plus. The ear fit over here is fine, but this one is a little more comfortable. I like the way that the buds actually go into my ear canal and just kind of hang out. I don't mind the stem sticking down around my ear. Have no issue with that. And the battery life is better over here, but let's face it, when you use this, you only use this for about an hour at a time, maybe 2 hours at a time. And that's really if you're doing meetings and talking on the phone while you're riding in the car, things of that nature. You're normally not using an earbud for 3 hours at a time. So you're going to put it back in the case and it's going to charge up for the next time. And 20 hours on this case is plenty of time to charge these things up, and you're going to get tons of use out of them. So for me, Huawei Freebuds 3 gonna be the winner. I'm gonna let you guys choose. Leave a comment below in the description and let me know which one of these that you like, which one you feel will be the best for you and your ear. So I'll be sure and drop links below to both of these so you can check them out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.